There you go. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Hopefully we'll try to get some of this family bucket list accomplished, but it's basically try to improve oneself from the things that we need to get improved on. And
every year we make our family bucket list and then review it if we have accomplished it. So this was when we started. That's our 2020, and then our 2021. The encircled ones are those that we missed doing. This is our 2022. I think the orange chicken is always there for VG's goal. And I think going to the Philippines, Japan, travel Korea are in our bucket list. And then this December 31st, we are gonna review what we have accomplished for 2023. And we're gonna make our new one for 2024. I read books but not once a month. Did you read more books, Kayla? No? Play tennis? No. Play the piano for me? Not really. Volleyball, Kayla, this year? Yes. But not soccer. Explore nature. We went in Japan, the monkey forest. Explore more for Kayla. Yes. Orange chicken. Try orange chicken. Make orange chicken.
yeah,
We tried once, but we didn't repeat it because it's hard. Make a happy home, I hope. Make kimchi, we did. Ride a horse? No. Ride a train? Yes, a lot of this in Japan. Not a camel nor an elephant. Did you send helpful tips? Yes, we did.
yes, we did.
Send love? Yes. Send happiness? Yes. Cook bread? We did. Actually, this year, VG learned to cook bibingka. Cook new recipes? Yes, we did. We did kimchi. We saw relatives. See the good. See friends. Create videos? Yes. Cricut projects? Still learning. So, can we do one half? Create happiness, positive thinking, charity works, do well in school. Kayla really did well in school. Did you grow hair?
No.
I lost more. More plants. We have the same plants and veggies. Oh, we have the silly. Give back to God. Give back to church. We traveled Japan. We went out of the country. Enjoy simple things. Me time, quiet time. We did Yosemite. We visited new places. We didn't go to Europe. Did you watch documentary?
A little bit.
A little bit. Good shows. Watch good shows. Be inspiring. Be helpful. Change thinking. Change negative and being busy. I think we're still busy. I'm still busy. Bake tinapay. Bake cakes. Yes. Bake bread. Did you bake bread, Kayla? Yes, you did. Juicy homemade juice. Homemade juicing. No, we did not. Still increase the intake of water. Yes. Drink more water. Buy crafts. Yes. Hair growth. Is this daddy's hair? That is your project. Learn basic Japan language.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Learn Catholicism. Yes. Thank you for seraphims and lovely couples. Spanish. Yes, Kayla. Support local. Yes. Religious vocations. Yes. Small businesses. Yes. Show respect. Show gentleness. Show gratitude. Okay. For 2024. So we're done for our 2024 family bucket list. So VG will pray, will lead the prayer, and the We didn't get to include our plans here, but it's gonna be our secret na lang. Oh, you missed this.
I'll do that.
Try
blue.
Try exotic foods.
The exotic foods, yeah.
Or try new sports. Huh? With Kayla. Exotic food. Oh. Okay. There you go. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Hopefully we'll try to get some of this family bucket list accomplished, but it's basically try to improve oneself from the things that we need to get improved on, and to become a better person and to become a better
husband, wife, child
or student.
Yeah.
Or hopefully you start off your year with prayer time and bucket list. So happy.
And Kayla's, I like this one. Show respect, which she's already doing. Humility and love. And there's more, so hope you get your own bucket list and resolution. A blessed new year. Bye.